arguing.
I'm not arguing, I'm just saying. I literally just told you that.
You wouldn't understand.
Don't touch me.
Thank you so much.
You wouldn't understand, though.
Like, no sauce to defeat the purpose of the fucking chicken parm. There's nothing on there.
I don't want the sauce on the chicken. Yeah, Michibu is true. Michibu are gonna block you out like him.
I don't want to pay for that ticket, bro.
Like, I literally just said that.
Can we pay for the Genie Plus, though?
Did you say I'm getting the sauce on the side?
But it won't let me do it on the app.
Did you say that?
It's not letting me. But it says
Have you
I
ever
think
seen
it's a
chicken parm?
complimentary.
Like, whatever, I don't care.
Yeah.
Get it. Eat that dry ass shit, huh?
Just ask them and see what they say.
You don't eat sauce.
I don't eat sauce.
It's a tomato sauce, like on pizza.
No, I still don't want it. I don't matter the sauce. I want the sauce on the side.
I don't want to get you a steak.
Do you eat pasta chicken Alfredo?
You gotta get pasta.
Like chicken Alfredo?
Either chicken Alfredo or...
He's not gonna eat that.
You guys don't have chicken Alfredo, like chicken fettuccine?
And I'm taking an Italian margarita.
You guys can't do like a chicken fettuccine?
Yeah, of course.
Guys, it's not picky, bro. This is Italian food. I never name it. So make it do.
But I'm trying to tell you that this is kind of like mackerel, the sauce with mackerel.
Are you guys ready to order?
They will never have the mackerel sauce. They will never have that. I'm not asking. This is fuckery. These people never have Jamaican mackerel sauce. If they have it, wow. But I know it's not.
It don't have to be that. You can still like it even if it's not that.
Okay. Can you tell him to put the sauce on the side of the store?
You can tell them yourself.
Okay.
Like, I'm not sure.
Oh, that's fire. Where'd you get that?
Bro, Victor, what wrong with you, bro?
Oh, that's nice. I like that design.
There's a Krystal looks annoyed.
Does that work?
Guys, I know, it's not
Are we ready?
Jamaican food.
Are we ready to order? Yeah, I'm ready.
It's Italia food. When name Italia. If it was Jamaican, guys, it's
Parmigiano, a little bit of balsamic.
Wait, which one's my water? Wait, can I get a water? Excuse me?
you get them.
Can I get a water? No, he's first.
Or could I be picky for something I never eat before? If you don't say, whoa, take it.
Yeah.
How the fuck childish being that? If you never
It's
have
my
one
fault.
food.
Thank
The
you.
people are fool.
What?
They said tell Krystal she's at Disney. It's the happiest place on earth.
Yes.
Try and go to Disney with Swiss and tell me we'll be happy. I'm just
They
kidding.
said Swiss is so complicated.
Bro, I never eat it before. You want me to pretend and say, okay, give me that?
No,
then I
you
will
just
like
try
it.
it.
It's good, though. It's really, really good. Really, really
Exactly what
good.
I want you to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything on the menu.
Okay, we're gonna get you
Anything on the menu.
the camel balls. You'll never know until you try it.
What are you trying to order?
Nothing. He wants chicken fingers.
I never eat it before, bro. I just don't want to order something. Huh?
But you have to.
I don't want to order it anyways, bro.
It's gonna waste if you don't like it, regardless.
Okay, get me what you get me.
No. You're not getting what I'm getting. We'll get something at least close to what you like. You're gonna get that. The same thing.
They say he's picky. You're a picky eater? Are you picky?
Pressure, why you put it on a show?
I just read a comment.
You know what? I don't eat Italian food. This is my first time, bro. You tell your chat it's his first time.
No, he's
First time. Guys.
never.
Only thing I consume is Jamaican food, bro.
Okay.
You guys know that,
What
bro.
would you guys recommend for a first time?
Chicken
Chicken Alfredo.
fettuccine.
He's not gonna like that.
Really?
It's way too
Everybody
much
likes chicken
sauce.
parmesan, bro.
Look, it's like
Everybody.
This
You have issues if you don't like it.
this. I'll say put it on the side.
I love chicken Alfredo.
If they can, if they don't make it with it.
Chicken Alfredo is my favorite.
Chicken Alfredo's fine.
If I ask them they can, you're gonna have to try like
Show
that.
him chicken Alfredo.
Spaghetti, you like spaghetti?
What?
You got spaghetti?
and what?
Huh?
Spaghetti and meatballs?
You get meatballs? Never had spaghetti meatballs?
Now take this.
Yeah, they get this spaghetti meatball with Parmesan cheese.
Bro, you'll like this. You'll like this.
Okay.
You'll like it.
Oh, thank you.
It's really good.
Maybe the
All the seafood.
This is Alfredo.
Guys, them not have wings.
chicken Alfredo. It's good. It's creamy.
You wanna try this?
It's actually my favorite. I promise you, if I like it, you'll like it. You want
This
that?
that's exact thing like this.
No, it might look different.
But no, this is
That's what I'm
exactly
getting.
Bread is just finished.
What about a lasagna?
That,
Lasagna
your chicken in there
As soon as I got some more,
and noodle.
I do it. Okay?
Yeah, I take
What is
it.
this?
You want that?
Breadsticks.
Can we also order right now?
curry goat on there, bro.
So we just dip it in there?
You like seafood?
Yeah, he's dipping.
It's like Rasta. I will take the Krystal, I think.
What? How about
I
you?
know what he's doing.
Yeah, that's fine.
The tomato
Well,
sauce.
how about you just get that, and if you don't like it, you can have some of mine.
In there.
Wanna do that?
Yeah. Okay, tell him. Guys, I'm gonna take the chicken something. The chicken breast. I mean, I like it.
Happy now?
We eat Krystal food.
Not all. No. I didn't say we switch. I said you have some of mine. We split it.
So what? That means you don't like this thing.
I do like it. I want Alfredo.
It's up for you.
Hold on.
They don't give a shit. You think those views are up for you?
Try it.
They don't give a shit about you.
Guys, look here. You guys have to understand, bro. I will take this.
No. You get two.
You can try.
Listen, so guys, I'm a jump. The first, I'm whatever. How would I be petty? I don't know what the food is. It's my first time having it, bro.
No, that tastes like those things.
Bro, why are you complaining? It's be fine.
Because they're doing too much, bro.
Only thing is that you have to be open to it. That's it. And you are, and it's fine.
Chicken fettuccine, chicken alfredo. We call it every time. So drink something.
You got like a mixed drink. You got like a.
Such a baby, bro.
You got like margarita.
Yeah, we got Italian margarita that has also limoncello.
What's the sweetest drink? Like it tastes like juice.
It's like juice Bellini.
Okay,
It's peach puree with prosecco.
Oh yeah.
They say Alfredo is good.
Let's try Alfredo. Let's get. I'll get Alfredo.
I don't want
It's too late. I can't do it both.
But you could try both. That's what I'm saying.
So prosecco is not properly.
But if I eat your food, you will be hungry.
I didn't say you can eat all my food. I said I'll give you half.
If you trust me,
I trust you, baby boy.
I'm probably gonna get the chicken part.
Let's get it. They said when to get it, you get it.
for you. You were waiting
Can
for the kids.
No.
You sure?
I don't like them.
I'm just gonna get the fettuccine Alfredo. Chicken.
You don't
Add
like
chicken.
them?
You wanna get that? Which one?
Yeah, same thing as
Two.
you.
Get two of those.
Got it.
Yeah.
And do you want to drink also something else?
Sprite.
Sprite. Yeah. Two Sprite.
Okay, I'm paying. Then I'll try it. I
Can I
don't
do
like
a
it.
grilled chicken Caesar salad?
That's Crystal Sun. Yeah.
Yes, I'll do a Italian margarita.
We got you, Swiss. Okay, thank you.
Good?
Thank you, bro. Thanks for having my back.
Regular
But I would ask for it.
also limoncello. So you
With wine.
a little more.
I'll try
Okay,
it.
let's do it.
I am a kid, okay?
trust
I am
you.
16 years old.
That's it. Chicken parm and also with an Italian margarita.
Let me. Can I ask you a question?
He said Prince getting a salad. Guys,
Excuse me. Can I ask you a question?
That's it.
Yeah.
singing shit.
Is there any way that
Guys, see the food. See the food that we gonna get. So it look.
with it on the side?
So the Alfredo has already
See, he might eat it.
I can put them.
That's the food we gonna get.
You want the sauce on the side?
Yeah.
Can you? But he trust me. Can you do sauce on the side for him, so he can put as much or as little as he wants, right? But you
Yeah.
want the
If I don't like it, I just cancel it.
You don't like chicken over I swear.
I don't eat sauce. I don't eat ketchup. I don't eat none of those.
But this one
It don't taste bad without sauce.
tastes good. Do you put mayonnaise on your sandwich?
Eh?
Do you put mayonnaise on your sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's very sweet. Well, you'll like it. If I like it, you'll like it. You like the food I've been eating, no?
Not you.
Okay.
Chicken parmesan, but put the sauce on
Primo.
the side. I don't know.
Primo.
You want to try it normal?
Guys, that's not Afro. That's not wait name Alfredo.
Yeah, we're in
Alfredo.
Italy.
They're talking
He's very
chicken.
stubborn with
They're
his
talking the chicken, not Alvaro.
Everybody drop a follow, guys. I'm about
They're
to go
talking
get Justin. I gotta
chicken.
go get Justin.
Alfredo. They're not talking about Alfredo.
Look how he makes this, y'all. It's so cool.
Metro's paying for everything. The devil is a liar, Justin. The devil is a
How
liar.
he makes it.
Block and mute that guy.
What's this?
I'm just kidding. No.
Oil, pepper, vinegar, and balsamic vinegar.
Where are you from, guys?
But you'll dip the bread in there and try it.
California.
It's not sauce. It's like
I'm not good.
You been to Arizona? Yeah. What part?
Las Vegas.
Oh, Vegas is Nevada.
Good job, Obi.
Scottsdale, Phoenix.
Like you said about
Exactly. So the thing is
That'd be
that we
ugly.
flew to Vegas We took an RV and we did the national park.
Would you guys from Jamaica, would you Jamaican eat this? Not Krystal people. Will Jamaican people eat this?
Beautiful. If you come to Naples,
Would you guys eat this? Yes or no? Jamaicans.
We do social media, so we can make content.
What do you mean, Krystal people? Some of the people in my people Jamaican. What you talking about? I'm serious.
I think everybody's here will support you.
No, Mishy's Jamaican.
Everybody drop a follow. I gotta go get Justin.
No, they wouldn't, bro. I'm telling you, bro. We Jamaican, bro. We don't spray to eat stuff. It run our belly.
I tried
Why you trying to?
Why you mad?
Huh? Why am I mad?
Yeah.
I'm not mad.
All the way to Italy, y'all.
Smile, Krystal.
like explain I ended up here.
Nice, okay.
World Showcase.
Yeah, we all do TikTok here, all of us.
Yeah?
He's on live right now. What's your TikTok?
say
You
hi?
have TikTok?
Yeah, I got it, but I don't really use it.
Everybody say hi in the chat.
Ciao, guys.
Ciao. Ciao.
He's from
That bye?
Naples.
Having good. I feel
So we going to other park after this,
I
right?
get to this get me and Lulu.
We going to other park after this? Yeah, because it's hard.
Damn, that's crazy. You don't have him as a mod? Like,
Justin's in there all the time, though. I'll have to make him a
You
mod.
do that TikTok. Wait.
Alright guys, so
Should I like take this off to charge it?
oh, I wanted to do this TikTok.
How much is it?
57. Yeah. And then all right, guys, I'm gonna go back live when I get over there. Okay.
She was thinking, I don't know if it was the